Hi, this is Lisa. I'm a neighbor of yours in the Silver Springs community, and this is a tutorial on how to post a topic in the forum and how to include a link to an image that resides in your member photo album right here on the site. Now, in how to set up your albums and enter pictures in it, you're going to want to take a look at the tutorial that we have right here in the FAQs. And that's also a little video tutorial that you can use and figure out how to get your photo albums ready. But right now we're going to assume that you've already done that, and I'm going to show you how to work with the forum. So we're already logged in, and here you're going to click on forum and see there are 5 different forums right now. There's general discussions, buy and sell, out and about, everything pets, and tips for using the forums. So most of these are self-explanatory. The general discussions is just anything you'd like to talk about. The out and about is information and sharing on the broader community of the Seattle area. And the tips for using forums is a member-supported forum where people share tips with each other about different ways to use the forums that would make it more productive or interesting. Okay, so for this demo, we're going to go into buy and sell. At the beginning of every forum, you're going to see some general rules that we'd like for you to keep in mind when you're posting. So I'll just point that out. And you can see that nothing has been posted yet in the buy and sell. So we can go ahead and create a topic. And when you do that, it opens up a little text editing screen. So there's a subject to the forum topic that you're posting. For me, I'm going to put down for sale. I don't even have to do this because I've been practicing with this, and my solid wood rolling cart is already here. So I'm going to select it. Otherwise, it would type in the whole phrase. And here's the body of the ad where I can type in anything that I'd like to. For sale. Okay, rolling cart. Let's see if I can spell. Okay, unfinished. 4 feet by 2 feet by 3 feet. Excellent condition. I'll charge $15 for it. Call Lisa at. Alright. Now, I highly recommend that you write a more descriptive, compelling ad than this, but this is just for demo purposes, so my heart isn't behind crafting the perfect message. But you definitely want to give a little sex appeal. Okay, now once we've done this, the next thing we might want to do, and I highly recommend this especially for the for sale ads, is to include an image. And so I have a photo album that I want to go collect a link from. So let me show you how to do that. First, I'm going to create this topic so that I'm saving my ad. And when I create it, you can see that now there is a topic from Lisa Nichols called For Sale. Wood, here's the big one, For Sale Wood Rolling Cart, and here's the actual ad right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go get a link to the image. To do that, I'm going to come up here into my login icon, click on it, and I'm going to view my profile. That's where the member photo albums reside. And you'll learn more of this when you look at the tutorial that's in the FAQs. So here I'm going to click on Member Photo Albums. And I've already set up 2 albums. One is my dog Koji, and it has 2 images in it. And this one is a for sale item, so this has 1 image in it. So I'm going to click on this, and that takes me into the for sale item, album, excuse me. I'm going to click on it again, and this gives me a larger picture for my edification, and I can add a caption if I wish. But if I click on it again, it's going to give me the image with a black background. This is the one that you want to link to. This is the link that works. So as you can see, I'm highlighting it up here at the top in the address bar. And once I've highlighted it, I'm going to Command C for copy. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to my original picture here and come into the forums where I have my buy and sell ad. I'm going to come down to my for sale ad right here. Pardon me. I'm going to click on it to open it up, and here's the ad. Now, when you come in here, the message, which is the ad, has these three dots. If I click on this, I have a choice to edit it, delete it, or quote it. If I'm the author, I can edit it and delete it. Okay, so I'm going to edit this ad. And here's the ad that as I had left it. And now I'm going to come back in, and I'm going to put down my link here. I'm going to see the cart here. And I'm going to highlight the word here. And I'm going to come up into this formatting menu. And this is a little chain link. So I'm going to link it with a chain link. I'm going to insert a link, the first one here. And here the link page shows, and I'm going to, in the website URL, I'm going to put down the address by doing Command V and pasting the link that I had just copied. I particularly like to choose the new window function here so that I'm not replacing the window that was open. I'm creating a new one just adjacent to it. So then I go ahead and insert the link. And I think you can probably discern the color here. This is hyperlinked now. In addition, it's always a good idea to go ahead and post the link. And here's the link right here. That's the one I just pasted in this one. So if this link doesn't work, people can cut and paste this into their browser and see the rolling cart. So now I'm going to confirm my edit. And there it is. And you can see the ad listed here. And now I'm going to go into, I have another window open with a different ID logged in. So I'm going to show you that. I'm going to go in here. This is my window here. This is my other login. Now I'm going to go into the forums, into the buy and sell, just as if I were another community member taking a look at what's for sale. I see this item and I want to look at it more closely. Here it is. And if I click on the link, you'll see that the cart image shows up. Okay? So that's how it works to put in a member photo album link. That's how it is to enter a topic in the forum. Now, the rest of this, let me just go back to the original window where I posted this, so where the owner is. I can go ahead and delete and edit this. If I wanted to edit again, you might play a little bit with this so you can understand what's involved in this, but I can, for an example, I can take text and I can center it by picking the centered text. I can, let's see, I can highlight my contact information by making it bold, you see. Something's happened there, I hit something. And I might want to make this italicized. I might want to change the size of the font. This is the size of the font. Maybe I'll boost it up to 24 and make it even bigger. So this is a formatting palette. You can pick your font, your size, your font style, where you can have bullets and numbers. This is like a very crude form of Microsoft Word's formatting palette, many other text editing formatting palettes. So you can make things look a little bit more interesting. And that's how to do your changes, and you can go ahead and confirm it. And now this is the ad. So, or the post, we should say. Now, when you're looking at a post, let's say I want to go in here and I want to take a look at everything pets. And I can see that my neighbor Quentin has posted something called Small Dogs Unite. If I want to, I can click on that, see his post right there, and I can reply to it by clicking this. Okay? And that just connects my reply to his post. Actually, I would reply up here. Either way it works. And so now I'm given the same text box. And when I post my reply, it's going to be underneath his box, and he'll be notified of it. Right. So that's a little bit about how to use the forums. One other thing I did want to show you is that when you're in a forum here, this one is the Everything Pets forum, as we see up here. But there is a subscribe to the forum box here that we can sign up on. And what that means is that anytime somebody makes a post, you'll be notified. So you might want to play with that a little bit. It just automatically knows you from your login, and since your email is a central part of your login, it's going to notify you via email when you are subscribed. And of course, you can unsubscribe at any time. All right. Well, I hope you found that helpful. Let me know if you have some questions. Unfortunately, I won't be able to give you technical support on how to link to outside sources for images, but you might, if you want to offer that advice as a member, be sure to come into the forum area for tips on using forums right here, and tell people what they might do to post to outside sources for images. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.